Yo, what is up, everybody? My name is Asa Kid, and this week we'll be doing Pistols Only Challenge. And in this challenge, the main purpose of this challenge is to experience and your skill level with that certain group of gun. So we're gonna start off with pistols, and then in the comments below, I want you to let me know what should we do next challenge. But the three guns I'm allowed to use are Magnum, 374, the 1911, and the PX4. And I can also use any like small stuff, grenades, zone grenades, shields, any of that. So without further into it, just jump into day one.
Stops you getting bored. See where anyone went?
Nobody around us.
I need to find me a pistol.
Battles on tracking in 60 seconds.
Okay. I can use little ones too. Little things. Okay. It's like,
I don't know if anybody
hey,
wants
if y'all find a pistol, if I could have it, that'd be great.
What pistol are you after?
Annie, PX4, 1911, Magnum, anything.
Hey, I've got a 2-star 1911.
I'll take it.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm on top of the big ball.
Oh, hey, I'll just drop it here, dude.
Yeah, I did.
Just go ahead, just drop it.
Yeah, I'll drop you some ammo as well.
Okay, I had plenty of ammo, but thanks. Thanks. Okay, so what y'all want to do next?
Kill some folks.
Battle zone is in 5 squads remaining.
There's a purple DT back there. If one of y'all grabbed it. I'm gonna go check in on that drop. Hey, I see there's people over there.
Okay.
Backpack here if anyone's shot.
Battle zone shrinking in 30 seconds.
No, I'm maxed.
Use it. Yeah, I'm coming.
Everybody sees a CX4, that's my favorite.
There's a 2-star one here.
I'm on my way.
Battle zone is now shrinking.
Let me see how big I can make this. There we go. Get good. There we go. Here's a 1-star CX4. I'm just trying to make sure nobody comes through.
Battle zone shrinking in 30 seconds.
Hey, okay, I got people right there too.
Whereabouts? Can't see a mark.
We got people off to our left.
He's over on top of that building. He's just been going back and forth behind the pipe.
Oh, you little turd nugget. Anybody got a little more pistol ammo? By chance?
Yeah, oh, loads. See ya.
No, okay.
Trying to snipe at me.
Thanks. Oh, that would have been purple UMP right here. Hey, don't forget about those people off to our left.
We're in zone. We don't need to go nowhere. They gotta come to us.
I know, but we got those people
Oh
at.
shit, no ammo. Have you got any sniper ammo? Anyone?
Battle zone should be near. 30 seconds.
There's a guy up on top of Windmill. Group of them.
Yeah, that's those people off from the left. They're gonna be flying in here in a minute.
Pipeline to observation.
We're getting.
Anyone got any sniper ammo?
No.
Battle zone is now
I got
free.
10.
Sounds better than none.
Oh, this does
Come
2
get it.
damage. Frick this.
Oh, this might have some sniper.
Oh yeah, hey,
yeah,
hey,
no
these
drop.
people are gonna have to push.
Yeah. Okay.
19, you better do me some good.
The gold pistol here now.
Ooh. Can I have it, or do y'all want it?
I
No,
snatched
good, you
it.
have it.
Which one is it?
Got a 3-star
Oh,
over
those
here
things
though.
are fighting.
Get back.
You little turd. This little turd wants to snipe me. Okay, I think I got some good heals. They're gonna have to fly in a minute.
Yeah, big up here.
Okay, they're okay.
Battle zone shrinking in. 30 seconds.
Hang on, I'll go around and get that guy over there. Okay, I think I got 2. Got 1.
Another one.
Got him.
3
Back
more.
there. No, I didn't get him. They're still there. There's another group.
Got him. He was just trying to revive in the storm.
There's another group back there.
Man, let me just get some kills real quick.
Teammate dying.
Oh, he got me.
2 more, okay.
Oh, they're closing in on me.
1 more.
Get him. Get him. Nice.
Yay.
Good work, guys.
Good job.
Get it.
They're not as scary as you're making it seem. You dropped in the weirdest spot, but okay. Yeah, going back to your...
I usually land on the hay bales.
That's
There
okay.
better be a pistol over here.
Bunch of
Pistol,
weapons.
pistol. Hey, if y'all, Captain, if you
Yes.
find a pistol, do you mind if I have it?
Yeah, sure.
No, teammate said he found a pistol over there.
Yeah, it was gray. It's a gray.
Gray pistol.
I was like,
Here's
if
your
it's
revolver.
anything in the pistol family I need. I guess I'll take it for like a little sniper.
I'll drop the ammo
Pistol
beside it.
sniper is what I'm gonna call it.
I mean, yeah, that'd be your sniper. The PX4B, your AR, and then the what's it called? Would be your shotgun.
Well, 1911 and PX4 is gonna be the same. This dude was trying to storm the vibe, and then I had his head and then shot him in the head.
Poor
That
man.
was funny.
Arnold.
Wait, did you get it
No,
on the
it
clip?
was the attack of the Annas. I took all three of them out with the
Did you get the
PX4.
clip?
And then I just gave him a pat on the head, and then he looked at me, and then he was like, it was at this moment he knew he messed up.
Bro, just trust me.
Yeah, but it was funny. Oh, I got one already. Oh. Okay.
That is his skin.
You don't
Have it.
understand. I need.
Like where?
Have it, dude. I don't want it. It's
I
stinky.
want.
Oh, hey, someone up there.
I'm not ping it. This guy's a Mexican.
I thought.
Scared because they have the high ground.
Take it back.
Another PJ right
You
here.
can just take the high ground.
Oh, he's AFK.
Oh my god.
30 seconds.
Oh my god, they both had
Okay,
the same
boy.
idea. You guys both had the same idea at the same time.
He's mine.
God!
Trying to focus these boy on me, but yeah, I hit this guy one more time.
It was like someone storm grenade that kid.
I'm at
Oh my
the
god, that one child! Anyway, under that rock. I want his boyfriend executed now.
He's low.
I'm coming, Tilly.
I just executed
He's so low, dude. He's so low. Yeah, see?
Okay,
Start the
should
revive
be
so I can grab my
one more,
stuff.
right? No, that
No.
was him. That was all of
Yeah,
them.
start the revive so I can grab my stuff. Please, no touchy. No touch.
Let me grab this so just in case I get sniped.
There
I
you
got
go.
you. Oh. Okay. Okay.
And where's all the...
Oh. If you need any ammo, let me know. Okay, I got
Oh, yes, I
some
need,
like about any
Yeah,
ammo.
sniper ammo, boy.
Oh, rifle ammo.
Nope, not that
Sorry.
one. Which one?
You don't got the sniper ammo?
Oh, you can have all of it. You can have anything but
Sniper
pistol
ammo?
ammo.
I don't need any of this crap. I need that shotgun ammo too, boy.
Okay, supply drop. Someone's gonna go.
I was like,
Got
I
that
need it.
shotgun ammo.
It was like I need it for three. I need it for three different pistols.
ma'am.
Can we just
Oh,
go for
shotgun
a
ammo?
supply drop? Or...
Sure. Why not? Here you go. Mickey Mouse.
Sure.
Yeah, the other two teams are fighting, yep. Oh, cool, look, they got a
I was like,
golden sniper
I'm allowed to.
rifle.
I was like, the challenge is I can have any pistol plus.
Oh, that's my Seiko, boy.
That's like perfect.
Oh my
Take it.
gosh!
It's
I
like
need that
nobody won that.
PX4. Watch out! You got kids coming.
Oh crap. If I had an
coming.
off, I'd get a... Okay, I'll kill them.
Hurry while they're
On the
fighting!
ground,
Hurry!
where was
Right
last?
here.
Where's that PX4?
Oh,
I'm gonna kill them as soon as they come into zone.
Okay.
That's gonna be annoying for them.
look, there's one right here. There's one right
If I can hit a shot, I may actually. I have to think about hitting a shot first before I can actually do that, man. Can't hit
Wait, see
anything.
the
I'm
last
so
one,
good.
though? It's
Oh,
hitting
but
one
I
other
can't.
guy.
I can't hit someone in clear view, but I can hit someone behind the tree perfectly fine.
Oh, that was a perfect shot too.
And he's mine!
One more.
I got him, Don't worry about it.
Dang it, I tried to turn with my Go here. We're going for all of the risk. We're going for the risk.
They better have a
Do you
pistol.
guys also have like broken sprays that like are not showing up? In the
He has a like he loves the pistol, dude. Like he cannot get off of it. He just loves
I
it.
understand,
Like he's
like,
weird.
There's a
No.
I have my
no.
arm out
Pistol.
fully. even though I have my arms fully
I found
out,
one.
the game's like, no, you're still gonna fall.
60 seconds.
Until the-
Your tracking got lost then. It's annoying.
There's someone here. There's
I
someone
know
here.
that happens.
Yeah, I know, there's a whole squad here.
Oh god, and I'm like so low health.
There's a banana in the building if you just want to go back and grab that.
Okay, I just want to get this CX.
Hold on.
Supply drop to
Why didn't I reload twice? Are you kidding? I could have had him dead.
Is he in that watchtower?
He's dead now, but I hit him for 65 once. Just watch
Oh,
it. That's all I
come
have to tell you.
on!
Come on, yes.
Watch out. He's
I got a
on-
knife,
he's
man.
on
We're all
the
good.
top.
We're all good. I got a knife.
Yeah, you got the best weapon in the game, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Watch out, he's sliding down.
Nice.
Okay. Please,
See, I told you.
Billy.
He has a really weird thing with the pistol. Like,
These
he has
pistols
a
are my best
fantasy with
friend.
it in his streams.
Like his waifu.
Marco loves
Remember,
getting his
just like,
teeth
I
brushed
was
at the
playing a game, and
dentist.
someone said that
Hang
they
on,
were
I'm coming
streaming,
out.
like, Facebook Live.
I'd rather not, but it's.
Does your mommy do it? Is that why? Does your mommy do it? No.
Can you just mark the dang
No.
There we go.
Like,
I feel so embarrassed, dude.
okay.
Man
I
just
got
ran
one
in
now.
a straight circle because he knew my sniping was that bad at the moment. Or not a circle, he walked forward, just walked. Jeez.
Sneak behind these people.
He's in farmlands. I'm gonna go cut him
Where's he
into
at?
Oh, hello.
tiny pieces.
Hello, man.
One over there. Captain, if you could. Oh, hello, my friend. You in today?
Got one!
The big story.
I had no clue someone was above me.
Are there 3 squads?
I think
And,
so.
and
I think there's
other
actually
squads?
2
There's
other.
one next to the farm sniping.
Start 3 up, start
I think
3
he has
up, start 3
nothing
up.
to do. I killed one of them.
Oh crap, oh crap.
Oh, this is bad.
Get down behind the wall, get down.
Pistol!
Fly back. He has a pistol fetish. Alright, start it now. Start it and walk into there. Okay, you should be able to get me.
Yeah, they should be able to.
I'm
Yeah,
watching.
they're not even rushing. You're good.
Yeah, you're good. Sheesh, the tracking my
only
guy.
one of them is coming.
Watch.
Only one of them. I'm gonna stand on top of him.
Ah, crap.
He's. I don't think they're innocent. Get him! Get him! Yes! Hide!
Oh.
Retreat!
Tragic.
In the game.
You got the knife. Yeah, you should be good.
Oh,
should be good, man. You got the
two
knife.
I have 2 knives, bro. It's all good.
Yeah, you should be good for sure now.
I got.
No, there's actually a ton of loot over here, actually. Your
Yeah,
pistol?
you just like kept dying and then kept getting revived. You probably like stuck into
I just need my pistol.
You're not wrong. There's a great pistol.
Oh, there's just
I'm gonna
back
take this
off.
dude's
Just
pistol
back
ammo.
off. We're fighting someone. This is our chance.
Got another dude coming up.
Well, if we don't... Okay. I'm helping you. Get away from him. Get away from him. I'm gonna help you out.
Oh, help me.
30
That's
seconds.
how you help. You just say, get away from him.
Go, 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 go! Oh gosh, go!
Okay.
He's on my back.
I need to find
Dude,
this
he's like right behind me. Yep.
It's like breathing on your back. Just like.
I can feel his breath. Yes. Oh, I just tried to pull a shotgun on him from this range. You see how smart?
Sneak attack.
I'll get this pistol fetish. I'll give the pistol fetish to him
Battle
with
zone
my
is now
cousins
shrinking.
with a pistol.
It's just one guy. We could take him.
And one guy with his own grenade though. Sheesh, shotty. I did like all of his health almost.
Bro, I did
cool.
like a couple headshots. I know,
Here's some
right?
pistol ammo. I got pistol ammo.
Whoa! I should.
With this pistol
I
fetish.
got another one, but I need it.
Sheesh.
Ah! I hit my fingers.
Mine.
Oh crap. Mommy said don't run in the street without looking
I know,
both
right?
ways. I know, man.
Got
I just
more
walked
people.
in the street without looking both ways. Should've listened to mama.
Stranger danger.
I'm gonna go.
She didn't. Ooh, I'm gonna go jump this kid. Oh,
Same guy! Oh my god!
Got another dude in this building.
2060 no scope.
I hate
You
these
suck.
people. Where's these people
Imagine-
guys?
Hey,
Please help
a
me.
knife. So Nana Rush.
Oh, why? Just leave me be.
There better be a nana
Hey,
right
man.
I
there.
need some help, please.
Come in.
I'm trying to
I'll tell
run
them to
away,
leave you
but
be.
then they just spray me.
I'm gonna throw a grenade at them.
Come on, Captain,
You
build.
think that will
Give
help
me
you
the
throw a little
bullet.
bit?
Ah! Wait.
They're scared.
Where'd they go?
I'm scared.
Very scared.
Supply
Ooh,
contact
triple CX
on
four.
my ring.
Guys, come to me. We gotta get to the safe zone.
There's
So.
a guy in this tower. Ooh.
I know we gotta get to the safe zone though. Look where we gotta go. You come the way I'm going.
We
got
gotta go.
some guys
Here,
shield down.
ditch them. Oh, I found a magnum. Okay. I was like, I'm ditching them, going to the back way.
Okay, I took all my
I was
health.
like, Captain, you gotta ditch. We gotta go
Ow,
fall back to
move
the
that.
safe zone.
I hit one of them for
Billy, come on.
75.
Ow. One of them's hitting me
I'm
for
coming.
75.
75 again. I got one more build left, man. I gotta save this for later.
Yeah,
They're fighting up there.
It's gonna be
This
really
will last build. They ain't pushing, dude. They're staying back there. They're weirdos.
Wait, let them push. I get them out in the open.
I'm gonna snipe them out of the building.
Okay, it's just us and those guys.
People up on the hill fighting. 3 of them.
Drop this. Arse.
I'm gonna keep distracting him. Go for him, go for him. He doesn't know
I'm
that
doing
you're
something like that. Just keep on hitting them. No, I used my last build, man. It was a terrible fund. I have none.
I got 36.
Is now showing.
Grenade out. 75.
I'm rushing from the side.
Oh!
Okay.
Just get him! Get him! He doesn't know you're there!
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna snipe this guy as he flies into you. Come on, man, get out of there.
The headshot for 66.
Nice. Wait, one.
One more.
Huh?
There was one more guy over there.
Yep, I see
I
him.
know any. Oh, okay.
Let me
I
have
know.
this. I haven't done anything all game.
Okay, let
I'm gonna just
let
try
the
to
dude
grenade
get the
him.
last kill. And if
Come
he
on,
fails,
come on.
Come on!
That grenade, I hit him for 60.
oh, it was a one shot too.
Done.